Hello South Africa. MPs outraged by Ramaphosa's silence over Phala Phala. Proceedings in the National Assembly descended into chaos as parliamentarians fiercely demanded that President Cyril Ramaphosa give answers about the robbery on his Phala Phala farm. Ramaphosa appeared virtually before Parliament on Tuesday, August 30, 2022, to shed light on several issues raised by MPs, chief among them being the robbery and his secret cash stash. EFF Deputy President Floyd Shivambu asked President Cyril Ramaphosa about the farm robbery and some of the details surrounding it. But Ramaphosa stayed mum, telling Shivambu that the relevant law enforcement agencies were still investigating the matter. That matter, which relates to the one of the questions that will come later, is a matter that is currently under investigation. There are various investigating arms or agencies of our country in the process of dealing with that matter, and I will say a little bit more about that later when the question properly arises, Ramaphosa said. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.